Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I am designing a jeweled Valentine using my late mother's costume jewelry. I have already made Christmas trees with some of these jewels. I have a video on that. I will link it below, but today I'm going to do a shadow box Valentine. So you will need a shadow box, a glue gun and glue sticks. I've got a piece of navy velvet, some foam cord, board, and of course your jewels. So let's get ready to make something really unique and really special. I went through all of the jewels that I have from my mother's collection, and I picked out pink and silver and pearls, and that's what I wanted to do with this project. And I've got a beautiful piece of navy velvet that I wanted to place all this on. So here are the pieces that I'm going to use in this project. But the first step was to take my foam board and cover it with the blue velvet. So there's my foam piece. We do stick those earrings and jewelry into that foam board, so that's why you need that. But I'm just going to use my hot glue gun and just cover this board with the glue and then pull up the sides. Now when I get to the other side, I'm going to pull it tight. You want a nice and tight fit across that foam board, so I'm going to pull it tight, hold it in place, and then glue. You need to do this for all four sides. I would hold it down for a few minutes to make sure it's good and stuck before releasing it, but you want it nice and tight. Alright, after all the four sides are glued down, you just glue down your corners and you're done with this process. Now I did cut this foam cord to the exact size of my shadow box, so it should fit in there nice and snugly. Now you flip your board over and you start laying out your pieces of jewelry. And this is kind of a long process because you want to get everything laid out before you start gluing. I'm using pins and earrings, necklaces, pearls, and you just take your earrings, if you're using earrings, and poke that right into the styrofoam. Then everything else is kind of laid in place, and I'm starting at the bottom and working up towards the top and gluing everything into place. Now I did use 2 strands of pearls. I left them connected and I'm just gluing those down to the velvet, but I also cut up a strand and those I'm gluing individually right onto the blue velvet. Alright, I finally have picked my design and this is what I've got laid out. So I'm going to go ahead and start gluing. It's just a process of what you like and how you want to do it, but I really like this layout. Now this process did take several hours. I would take a break and walk away and then come back, add some more pieces, but you just take your time gluing everything down, and then I like to use a pair of tweezers to pull out those glue strings. You know, your glue gun can be real stringy, but the tweezers worked perfectly on getting all of those strings out of the way. And after I got everything glued in place, this is the final result. You can see I added a few more jewels and some more pearls, and I just think it looks so lovely. And I remember my mom wearing a lot of these pieces. So now we're going to put it back into that shadow box frame and close up the back, and we are all done. I hope you enjoyed this how-to video, how to use costume jewelry and turn it into pieces of art, and you can remember your loved one by. I love this. It reminds me so much of my mom. So if you haven't seen the Christmas tree, jewel tree video, I will link that in the description box below. But thank you all so much for watching. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hope you all have a very blessed day.